Number 3? Okay.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your rescue mission with us here at Wavebreaker the Rescue Coaster. We ask that you please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lap bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys, and other loose articles, and step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible. Please stand behind the white line. The gates are now closing. Once seated, pull the lap bar down and ensure it is properly secured on your lap. Please sit upright, keep back and shoulders against the seat back, and hold on to the grab bar in front of you with both hands. Keep hands, arms, and legs down and inside the ride vehicle at all times. Now, get ready. Your rescue mission is about to begin.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, ready to ride Wavebreaker. You must keep your mask on at all times. This is your first and only warning. If we see you taking your mask off at any time during the ride, you will not be joining us for the remainder of the day. Once again, please keep your mask on at all times, covering both your mouth and nose. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please put your mask over your nose, please? Ma'am, can you please put your mask over your nose?
Please remain seated. Favor de mantenerse sentado. All right, trainees. Looks like you've been assigned the dolphin rescue mission. Are you ready? Sit up straight, eyes forward, and hold on tight. Oh yeah. Good luck.
Separation sequence initiated. Trainees, please face forward and prepare to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lap bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats,